In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new folder to your GitHub repository, making file organization easy and efficient. Whether you're starting a brand new project or just tidying up an existing one, understanding how to create folders directly on GitHub is a simple but useful skill for all developers and collaborators. Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to github.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not yet signed in, just enter your credentials and you'll be ready to go. Next, head over to the repository where you want to add a new folder. You can find your repositories by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Your Repositories from the drop-down menu. After you've selected your repository, take a moment to look over the Code tab where all your project files are located. To create a new folder, click the Add File button located near the upper right area of the file list. From the drop-down menu, select Create New File. This might seem a little counterintuitive since we're looking to add a folder, but don't worry. This is the fastest way to do it on GitHub's web interface. Now, in the Name input field at the top, type the name of the new folder you want, followed by a /. For example, if you want to create a folder called Docs, type docs/ into the field. You'll see that GitHub automatically recognizes this as a new directory, and the / tells it you're not just naming a file. After the /, you'll need to add a file to this new folder because GitHub doesn't allow empty folders. You could type something like readme.md, which is a common way to create a placeholder or documentation file for a directory. So your full entry in the field might look like docs/readme.md. Below the file input area, you'll notice a larger text box where you can add content to your new file. You can leave it blank for now if you want, or add some notes about what will go in this folder later. Before finishing, scroll down to the Commit New File section. Here you can enter a quick summary such as, Add Docs folder with README. It's always a good habit to write meaningful commit messages so you and others can easily keep track of changes. Once you're happy with the details, decide if you want to commit directly to the main branch or start a new branch for this edition. If you're working as part of a team or want others to review the change, consider creating a new branch and opening a pull request. If it's just you, committing directly is fine. Finally, click the green Commit New File button. The new folder will now appear in your repository, neatly containing the file you just created. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can keep your projects organized, share your work with collaborators, and make future updates easier for everyone involved. Thanks for watching and happy coding!